learn to put yourself first. Now, when I say this, a lot of people will be like, oh, that's selfish. Oh, what? But to be honest, if you are friends with people, right, and they want something from you, that's natural, right? But you really need to ask yourself if you have something to do and your friends know that you have something to do and they still want you to come with them, let's say to a party or something, ask yourself, is this person really your friend, right? Because if they were really your friend, they would say, they would want you to achieve what you want to achieve. If they knew you had work, but they're asking you to go to a party, I wouldn't say that person is your friend, right? Because if they cared about you, they'd say, yeah, I know how much this means to you. Let me allow you to work, right? Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Nathan Sarah. I'm an 18-year-old making between 10 and 20K online. I make the money online through doing different things, through, you know, doing different stuff online, and I've been very successful from what I do. And recently, I've started a personal brand on where I help people make money online for completely free. And the reason I do it for free is because when I was a kid, no one was there to help me make money online. When I was trying a new method or something new to help me make money online, no one was there. It would blow up in my face and I would be depressed about it for a long time, being a kid. So I don't want anyone to be in that headspace. You know, look at these other influencers that help people make money online. They help people for free because they don't want anyone to be in their situation. And I've come to realize that when I started this brand is I really don't want anyone to be as depressed as I was as a kid trying to make money online. That's why I offer my services for free. But yeah, let's get back into the video. People really need to be selfish with themselves. And when I say this, you really need to value your own time, right? Your time is more important than anyone else's time. If you are sacrificing your time for other people's happiness or to satisfy other people, then it means that you don't really value yourself. And when you say that and you get offended, yeah, fine. I really don't care. But it's the truth. You know, if you say you want to be successful and you want to be rich and powerful and have high status and be the specimen of a person, but you are deeming something like going to the club with your friend or having fun with your friend or going to party or doing drugs if you do drugs or smoking or weed or whatever, if you are deeming that more important than actually sitting down and figuring what it is you want out of life and how you're going to get there, then, you know, you don't really care and respect yourself. That's why I say you need to be selfish with yourself. If you're someone who's always satisfying other people and someone who's always making sure that you don't upset anyone, I used to be this type of person where I used to hate upsetting people. I really used to be scared to upset people. I'd always want to see people happy and smiling. And then when someone would confront me about something or say that I'm too kind or whatever, I'd kind of get scared, you know, and kind of be like, um, whenever there was like confrontation, I'll be in discomfort because I always used to want to satisfy people. I always used to want to make people happy, and I've always used to want to be on good terms with everyone. And to be honest, when you become successful, because if you're watching my channel, if my video stumbled upon your page, then that's a good thing. I can tell that you want to be someone who's successful because my videos is about, I teach people how to make money online, right? So if this comes across to you, then good. But if you're someone who's watching this, you're someone who wants to be successful, right? And you are allowing other people to step in the way of that. And if you're successful, you'll often find that people will most likely be against you. The same way when I started making money online and started showing people and started saying, hey, I'm helping people how to make money online. Do you want to be a part of what I do? Instant hate. Instant hate. And you could be one of those haters online as well. If you're not, good. If you are, I really don't care. Because I know what my goal is and what my purpose is. I want to help people make money online for free. And the reason it's free is because there was no one there for me when I started. There was no one. There was really, really no one. And it was crazy. And people will go through life, and I see it happen. People will go through life and always want to satisfy people and never want to be on bad terms or bad vibes with anyone. people pleasurers. That's the name for it. I used to be that type of person. And this video's I'm making this video so that you can realize where you stand in this and really make a choice. Do you think, let's think of the world's richest person, Elon Musk, right? Do you think Elon Musk is someone who is always satisfying people? There's literally a video where he was swearing. He was doing an interview with someone, I forgot who it was, and then he was swearing at advertisers, saying, "You think I'm going to stop doing what I'm doing for advertising or for more money?" And he was swearing at them, he was cursing at them, right? And when I saw this, I could see that he's not someone to care what other people think. This guy is focused on taking over a whole planet, right? As crazy as it sounds, I know that sounds crazy, but that's what he's doing. He wants to take over a whole planet and put humans on it. He's not worried about what people think, and that's his goal. And to be honest, I would say he's pretty successful from what I see from where he stands right now. He's buddies with the US president, you know. So yeah, if you're someone who wants success or who wants something proper out of life, learn to be comfortable with disappointing people, right? Be comfortable with being uncomfortable, because if life was so easy and if everyone wanted success and got it, success wouldn't be valuable, right? The same way, I don't know, but when I was a kid, there were these toys, these fidget spinners, right? I'm sure you know them. I was living in South Africa at the time. When it first came out, that thing was so valuable. The fidget spinner toys, right? Everyone wanted one. And when someone would get it, everyone would be using it and playing with it in the classroom, right? But it got to a point where now everyone just had it, and no one cared anymore because it was so not valuable, but it was available to everyone. Whereas when there was a lack of it or scarce of it, it was deemed as valuable, but now it's not because it's available to everyone. And that's the type of mindset you have to be in. And also another type of thing I wanted to say is that if you want to be a valuable person, right, make yourself unavailable. And I'm not saying it in a toxic way. What I'm saying is work on yourself whilst others are doing whatever they're doing, and don't be caring what others are doing, because when you go and work on yourself and come back being a better person than what you were before, other people will deem you more valuable because you're not available and because you're now at a higher level of a person or higher status of a person, right? Like, look at me, for example. I'm not saying you should be me or try to be like me, because my case was very extreme. But when I was a kid, I was like 12, 13, right? And I was someone who used to always want to uh, not be on bad terms with anyone, and would always want to be happy with everyone and stuff, and be in the biggest friend groups and have the most friends and all that stuff, right? There was a point where I was now 15, 16, and I was still like this, but I just disappeared. I think I was 16, yeah. I disappeared for like 2 years. No one knew where I was. My WhatsApp, no one would message me or text me or say anything to me. I would just be by myself, working, grafting on my laptop for a long time, right? That's what I was doing. And I would do that and I would come back and people would be like, wow, you have changed so much. I came back, I used to be really skinny. I came back being muscular. I came back being tall. I came back being different. The way I spoke, the way I said things, I speak with meaning and I speak with purpose. I don't just put filler words like, these unnecessary things. I speak with intention. And whenever I say something, it's deemed as valuable because I don't speak as much. I'm not someone who speaks a lot. But when I speak, I'm saying something valuable, right? But yeah, I went away for like 2 years, came back, a different person, different status, you know, and that's the type of person you need to be. Because if you don't work on yourself, no one is going to come to you and say, oh, let me work on you so you're more successful. Everyone is focused on themselves, and you should be too. So learn to be selfish with yourself sometimes, or most of the time. Because at the end of the day, when you wake up in the morning, It's you that's going to be looking at yourself in the mirror. When you're 30 years old, it's you that's going to be looking back at your life and saying, what have I done? What could I have done differently when I was growing up? How could I have set myself up for success? I'm building a personal brand where I help people to make money online. And I do it for free. And you know why I do it for free? Because I said it before. And if you're someone who wants to make money online, if you want to make money within this week, join my free Telegram. Oh, sorry, I've got allergies and it's spring. Join my free Telegram. I'll put the link in the video, in the description of this video. I'll put the link there. And I've also partnered with mynetworkjournal.com, right? This is where we help people that want to make money through trading, because I offer different ways to make money online. I offer trading, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, social media management, and brand scaling. Those are the things I do. Now, if you're someone who wants to make money online through trading, I've partnered with mynetworksjournal.com. And what we do is we help traders journal their trades, and I also offer a free Telegram signal group where I offer signals on Telegram. Now, before you join that group, I want to make it very clear that I'm not someone I'm not a big fan of signals, if I'm being honest. But the reason I'm doing this is because I am someone who wants to help people make money online. And I've realized that what I'm offering on this Telegram signal group is too good not to be sharing, right? Like, think of it as, in my perspective, I'm seeing that my trades that I'm taking are hitting most of the time, and I'm a profitable trader, right? Why would I not share that with people that I'm trying to help make money online? Why would I not do it? That's why I have this group there, because I want to help people make money online. And what I have to offer on the group is just too good not to be sharing. Even though I'm not a fan of it, I'm still doing it because it's just too valuable not to be sharing. So yeah, join the group, copy the trades. My Telegram group also shows the reason as to why I entered the trade, not just numbers on a screen and enter prices and take profits and not stop loss. No, there's a reason as to why I entered the trade. I tell you when to move your stops to break even, when to take partials, everything. Proper risk management, risk 1%, risk 0.5%. I do this on my signal group. So join it. I'll put the link in this description. And yeah, I help people make money online. Like I said, I do it for free, and I help people well. I teach people and educate people well. I've got so many people that I've helped to start their journey of making money online, and they're doing extremely well. People that have come from poverty, people that have come from third world countries, are now making between maybe like 3K and 6K a month online, and this is in US dollars. Why would you not be a part of it? If you say you want money online, you want to stop going to your job that you don't enjoy going to, it's for free what I have to offer. Why would you not join? It's up to you. If you want to make money online, you know where it's at. From Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.